Electrical panel upgrade Brooklyn. How can I find quality electrical services near me? We put your family's safety first. For safety-conscious customers, Electrical Panel Upgrade Brooklyn often installs whole house surge protectors, GFCI outlets, and childproof outlets. Businesses of all types rely heavily on lighting. Choosing the right interior lighting design for your office, store, or warehouse will contribute to your organization's safety and success. If your business has commercial space, be sure the lighting is providing what people need and boosting morale. Additionally, we install solar panels, electric vehicle chargers, and whole home generators. Keeping your home protected can be extremely beneficial. Whatever electrical services you require, rest assured that you can count on Electrical Panel Upgrade Brooklyn for outstanding installation, clear communication, and honest pricing. Call us at 347-625-3354. For more information, please visit our website, www.tacticalelectronique.com. Or contact us through phone, 347-625-3354. You can visit our office, 30 Willoughby St, Brooklyn, New York 11201. Electrical Panel Upgrade Brooklyn.